So I will do a work about the job of a director, marketing director. So first, I will talk about all of my work during these 4 weeks. So first, I do conference summaries. All the weeks we will have one conference, and we will must to summarize um, the conference during all the weeks. So finally, we will have 4 conference summaries. After, I do an important work about the description and the research on the job of director marketing. So I research on internet and about my experience to have the most of information to talk about this. So I do a lot of research to know the experience that we will must to be a marketing director, the diploma, the degrees, all of things about this. After, I do an interview about this work. I interview Lucy Johnson, so the marketing director of Polar. It's a society in the sport business. So it was really interesting, and I learned a lot of things about her. I think that it's most important to have this type of interview. The research are a good thing, but I think that interview a person who is in post in this situation, it's more important, and it's really important. So it was really nice for me, and I would like to say thank you. And finally, so I do the annex. So during the first and the third week, we must to do a book chapter review about 2 chapters. So chapter 3 for the first week and chapter 10 for the third week. During I do weekly follow-up reports after 1 week. So to know the research, the support, the interaction with the connect, and development analysis about my work during the week. And finally, I must to choose a video about my job to know more things. So I analyze a video of my chosen career. So it was really interesting because I can do similitudes between this video of another marketing director and Lucy Johnson, the actually marketing director. So it was interesting because it validates all of things that I know about this work. So it was really interesting too. So I think that this work was really interesting. I know a lot of things with a professional of sport, with my research, and I think that it's really important so to know the job that we must to do in the future. And I think during these 4 weeks we continue to learn English, and it's really important.